pods all ready to roll. Good start here. Sheffield in the 10 car. Trying to hang on there into the inside, but he's going to lose it to Burrows in the 65. Look out at turn in number 2. Wow. That's definitely going to bring out the yellow flag, if not perhaps another one. But wow, getting out of there. The 61, I believe it is. Is it 61? There, and it looks like Adrian's all right. And that is the good news. The car is obviously a bit of a write-off at this point, but Adrian looks to be okay. Let's give him another round of applause, folks. I know he did once already, but maybe another one as well. As the helmet rolled down right there, it will be picked up at about halfway down the back there. Scary, scary moment there in turn at number 2 at the very start of this mod heat. The 10 car also involved there, Gary Sheffield out of Picton, Ontario. So the folks from Fitzsimmons on the scene there, and they will help out the Foster car. The City Auto Recyclers with the Sheffield car. As the cleanup crew continues to work hard down in turn in number 2. Obviously, we'll have a complete restart here for this final mod heat of the night. Still some late models to get in. Highway 28 here, Mercer. There. Yeah, they're doing all right. Folks down here at quarter 1 have seen their share of action tonight as well.